Galen Snow. I live in Little Compton. This is my studio. It's right on the main road. And I do paper montage. I don't know why paper. I have no idea. It just came out of me. And I just went with it, and here we are. And we're like cranking them out, you know? First of all, make the background. And I rip the paper. And I have shards of paper. Then I take my background papers, which are usually rice paper or handmade papers. This one has glitter in it because I like the glitter for winter. And then I just rip it. I make strips. So then I just take a brush and good old glue, use all my books, and then I just start cutting paper. The texture, and hopefully get the shape right. And I use grays for the body. And this wing is in the shadow, so I always use, it depends on where the light's coming from, and I see the light coming from here. So I deal with light, color, and shape. And that's how I go about this. And it's all right here, and it comes out of here, and goes right on there.